Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, craft and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin, shall we? In this activity, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of caterpillars. Did you know that caterpillars are baby butterflies? Amazing, right? Well, let's get to making one. You will need the following materials. A5 size paper. This is yellow in color, but you can choose any other color that you find available at home. Even plain white copy paper can work as well. Then we have a black marker pen, or you can just use a black pen. Then we have a pair of scissors. These are very sharp, so always ask for help when using them. And then we have a ruler, which is 30 centimeters long. Finally, we have a drinking straw. Apart from the straw, all these other items can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Cut a strip of paper using a ruler as follows. Take your ruler, turn your paper as follows. So this long side is facing me. Then I place my ruler on top of the paper and I place it right at the edge like this and just hold this other corner of the paper and rip off this strip of paper. So let's do it together. Gently press down your ruler, then holding the corner of the paper, rip off that, and then you are left with one thin strip of paper. Easy, right? And we didn't even use a pair of scissors for this. Step 2, fold your strip in half. And you want to fold it this way so that it looks like a tunnel and not this way. So let's fold it in half. And then you make a crease over there. And now it looks like a V. Step 3, open up the strip and fold one half of it as follows. This is a strip which was folded in half. Open it up and fold it. Then crease it down like this. Step 4, fold the remaining side in half. Then crease it down. Now you have this. Step 5, fold the strip in half again. So, then you just fold it in half. Now you have one box. Step 6, using a pair of scissors, cut out the sides of the folded strip of paper as follows. And then you remember we'll be cutting from the open sides. You see, these ones are closed. We have two open sides here, so don't cut the closed ones. Step 7, open up the folded strip of paper. Let's open it out. And it looks more now like a caterpillar. Can you see it? Its shape with its rings. So now we want to draw in the eyes. So take your marker pen and you can draw two eyes on either side of the strip. You just choose one. I'll pick this side. The two dots for the two eyes. And then we'll also draw a mouth. A smiling mouth, like that. Step 8, finally, using a straw, blow the caterpillar from behind and see how it wiggles about. Did you see that? That was Wiggly-tastic. You can even make more caterpillars and turn this into a fun racing activity with your friends. Don't forget to send us photos of your projects using the hashtag TBC Kids Club to stand a chance of winning cool gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, riding a bike is always fun, right? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make rolling feet. We'll copy how your feet move when you're riding a bike. You will need the following materials: 2 wide-inch tape. These are almost 2 inches wide. This is clear tape and this is packing tape. So you can use either of each for your wheel. I'll be using this one, and then I'll be taping everything down with this clear tape. Next, we have A4 sized paper. It can be plain white, it can be colored, whichever is readily available at home. Then next, I have old paintbrush sticks. These are from my old kit, and there are no bristles, so that's why you can only see black sticks. If you don't have old ones, you can also use barbecue skewers or any stick which is thin enough to fit inside a drinking straw. Next, we have a pair of scissors. And remember guys, these are very sharp, so always ask for help from an adult when using them. Next, we have a black marker pen. As always, if you don't have one, you can always make use of a black pen or just a black pencil. Then, this is a drinking straw, which you saw earlier from the project. So, all these items, again apart from the straw, can be found at any Textbook Center store. Step 1. Place your feet on top of the paper and trace the outline one after the other. So let's start drawing. Right foot first. As you can see, I'm standing on my working table, so don't do this on any other table where you eat from. I'm only allowed to do this because I work here. I don't eat here. But you can also draw the foot from the floor or even the sofa. But a flat surface will be better. So I'm done with my first one. Now let me do my second foot. Left foot. Done. So left foot, right foot. Let me show them to you. Step 2, take your pair of scissors and cut them out. So first foot, just cut along this outline. Good thing we used a black one. Now if you see, you'd have used colored pencils, maybe you'd have chosen pink, it wouldn't have been visible. So the real reason why we use black marker pen, black pens, and just normal pencils is so that the black markings can be very visible, so that you don't have a problem cutting. Just go on. So my foot is very big. Is this what we call big foot? I'm done with my first foot. Let's measure it. Is it the same size as my face? You'll tell me because I can't see myself. Then move on to the second foot. This time we'll measure this foot with one of my hands. So this is also a great activity to help you learn more about your feet, how many toes you have, the different shapes of feet. I'm sure my feet are differently shaped. They can't be almost all the same. You find some, they have spaces over here. You find others that are straight lined as mine here. So, as I promised, let's measure my foot with my hand. So, foot width, now both of them. Step 3, we now want to stick the paint brushes onto the packing tape. This brown tape is a packing tape. This is the one we're going to be using. So if you don't have these brushes and you're using barbecue skewers, remember to first chop off the sharp ends, then further divide those skewers into half, then you can get to sticking them. So we want to stick these brushes. One will go here and this other one will go up here. So we'll tape them down with this clear tape. Remember to use a wide inch tape so that they are strongly held in place. So take the tape, then using your pair of scissors, chop off just a bit. So take one of them and then hold it with one hand and with the other tape down your brush or your skewer or whatever thin stick you'll be using. So I'm just pressing it firmly into place so that we secure it completely. So this is one of them, and then the other one will go somewhere up here. So it's like we're rolling it, then we put it here. So remember, I'm taping them going in opposite directions. So again, I've already cut out my sellotape and then I hold it down with one hand and then tape it with my other hand. Then you again gently press it down so that you can secure it. So take care of your eyes so that you don't pierce yourself. These ones are very sharp. Also, if you're using the skewers, they can also be very sharp. So take complete caution when you're using this. Step 4, cut your straw in half and then tape those cutouts onto these two straws. So let's start with the straw. This one. So you can just divide it in half like this. They're very flexible. Then with your pair of scissors, just chop it at the middle. And you have two straws. So now let's tape the cutouts onto the straws like this. We're going to tape them like this and we're going to tape them right up here, close to the toes, not here and not here. So we're going to tape them here. So turn it the other way. We're going to tape them down with this clear tape. Then stick it down like this. Let's move on to this other one. So this one will go like this. It will be stuck on like this. So you can see, you can just copy your real feet, how they would look like when you're riding a bike. You wouldn't want to have this pedal going on the other end or this one being like this. Otherwise, we'd have distorted feet or 2 left feet or 2 right feet. So now let's tape this straw down. And closer to the toes. Here are our feet. Step 5, slide the straws into the paint brushes or skewers, whichever you are using. So these were the feet cutouts. Then I'll just place them alongside our own skewers or paint brushes. So this one will go here. This other one will go on this end. So you take the straw and then you have it pass through the skewer all the way till the end. So that's one foot. And then let's do this other one. So again, you have it slide through here all the way till the end. This is it. Okay, now that that is done, let me turn it over and show you how our feet look like. Now, let's roll our feet and see if they work. Whoop, 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 whoop. The other side, go. They're working. Wow. You can see that they look like feet which are riding a bicycle. Amazing, right? That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload photos of your project using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. See you all next time.